Anthropic just admitted its own AI broke into 3 real companies during a security test gone wrong. And stick around. By the end, you'll see why your eyes can't tell real from fake anymore. Anthropic ran a security test using Claude, treating it as a hacking game. Claude didn't get the memo. It thought the open internet was the target and broke into 3 real companies for real, not a simulation. If your test environment is just a config file, it's not a boundary. Story 2. Over 2 days in late July, hackers hit more than 30 water utilities across Minnesota and took full control of their operational systems, not just the networks. This is the infrastructure that's supposed to be locked down tightest. Coordinated attacks on water systems used to be rare. Now, they're a pattern. Story 3. Cisco's Firewall Management Center shipped with static, hard-coded login credentials. Cisco calls it a patch. Researchers call it a backdoor. Attackers are already exploiting it in the wild, chaining it with a local privilege escalation bug to take full control. Patch it before someone logs in with a password you never set. Number 4. A hacker in China sent one Telegram message telling an AI agent to point DeepSeek at a target list. Autonomously attacked more than 460 organizations on its own. No hands-on hacking, no team, just a prompt. The barrier to mass cyber attacks just dropped to type a sentence. Story 5. The UK's Department for Education got breached, exposing 600,000 records, including help desk data from 2 web portals. Government agencies keep leaking data meant to be the most protected. 600,000 records isn't a rounding error. That's trust leaking out one support ticket at a time. Story 6. Passkeys were supposed to end phishing. Device code phishing routes around them by abusing the OAuth flow where you type a code on a second screen to log in. Researchers found over 25 phishing kits built for it. Barracuda counted 7 million attacks in 4 weeks. Passkeys fixed one door. Attackers found the window. Story 7. DeepSeek's new V4 Flash. 284 billion parameters. Only 13 billion active, so it stays cheap. Engineers ran it on real projects through Claude code, and the whole test bill came to under $2. Not the top model, but as a cheap sidekick agent, the price-to-performance math is brutal. Story 8. OpenAI cut GPT 5.6 Luna's input price 80% to 20 cents per million tokens and dropped Terra 20%. They also shipped Sol fast, reasoning 2.5 times quicker for barely more cost. Luna costs about a 25th of Sol. Cheap tokens are becoming the whole strategy, not a side benefit. Story 9. IBM's newest breach cost report counts AI attacks for the first time, and the numbers are ugly. Model inversion averages $6 to $7 million in losses. Prompt injection about $4 million. Security spending intent jumped from 64 to 85% in response. Attacking AI is getting cheaper. Defending it got much more expensive. Story 10. Deepfakes jumped 16-fold. 500,000 in 2023, 8 million this year. U.S. fraud losses went from 360 million to 1.1 billion in that same year. Humans catch fakes correctly about 0.1% of the time. A coin flip you lose. Stop trying to spot fakes. Use a safe word instead. Quick recap. Claude accidentally hacked 3 real companies. Minnesota's water utilities got fully compromised. Cisco's Firewall shipped with a backdoor. One Telegram message triggered 460 AI attacks. The UK's Education Department leaked 600,000 records. Device code phishing now beats Passkeys. DeepSeek's new model runs dirt cheap. GPT 5.6 got an 80% price cut. IBM says AI breaches cost millions each. And deepfakes jumped 16-fold while humans can't spot them. 10 stories, 5 minutes. That's the whole game now. Subscribe and ring the bell. 5 minutes a day, learn 10 times faster.